Dyson DC24. And we're going to start with the Hoover. See, I've ripped up tissues right here. And that's why. Okay, we're starting now. Here it goes. Next, we'll start with the Dyson. Good.
Which one got up most?
The Dyson.
Looks like they both did a pretty good job.
Okay.
So tell us about the difference.
The difference between... Okay, don't bat it all. Just because of the vacuum, I'm just going to use the Dyson for the rest. Oh, there's still some dirt in there. So we need a little bit of... We need a little clog. There we go. Now we'll just start with it. Here we go. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Well, thanks everybody.